this is Tina from the Deer Run Library, and today we're going to be making hot chocolate on a stick. Now I know hot chocolate bombs are all the rage, but it's kind of difficult to make and hard to come by those silicone molds, so we're going to make something a little easier with some semi-sweet chocolate or whatever kind of morsels you have, some popsicle sticks, some candy, some marshmallows for toppings, and a muffin tin, a mini muffin tin. So first we're going to take the candy and break it up into pieces. I have candy canes and Reese's peanut butter cups, and I'm just going to take them and smash them into little pieces because these are going to be the toppings to our hot chocolate molds. So I'm not going to make you watch me break these up. I'm going to break them up and I'll be right back. The next step is you are going to take your morsels and put them in a microwave safe bowl. And then you're going to melt these morsels, and how you do that is you stick them in the microwave for a minute first, and then stir it up, and then check it every 30 seconds from there on to see if it's melted. Once it's completely melted, you are ready to go. This is where you take the melted chocolate and you put them into a mini muffin pan. It is quite messy. And you do want to make sure, I didn't do a very good job of this, but you want to make sure you fill up those little mini tins as high as possible, all the way to the top if possible. So just take your melted chocolate and fill up your muffin tin all the way to the top, and then you'll be ready to add the toppings. Isn't this messy? So now I'm going to take the toppings that I made, my crushed up Reese's peanut butter cups, my crushed up candy cane, marshmallows. I have some sprinkles, but they didn't quite show up. Again, I had to add some chocolate to them because I didn't fill them up high enough, because the next step is going to require me to put a popsicle stick in here and they weren't standing up. So you want to make sure you're filling up your tins to the top. And then once you have all of your candy on there, you're going to add your popsicle sticks. And this is where I had to add more chocolate. So that the popsicle stick will stand up. So just make sure you fill up the tin all the way to the top again, so that the popsicle sticks can stand up. Once you're ready, they go in the freezer for about 4 hours. And then when they've frozen for about 4 hours, you're gonna be able to take them out of these tins. You just rock the popsicle stick back and forth. Since it's frozen, it should pop right out. You can stick these in an already made cup of hot chocolate or coffee to make it a little bit of a mocha. And you're done. Here is the final product. They're cute little gifts if you wrap them up in little clear bags. Like I said, you can put them in hot chocolate or coffee. And I hope you enjoyed.